Long before you came through into this world, God saw what would happen. What you are doing, and we're celebrating today also, is your cooperation with God's plan. And that's what I ask you both to do, to pray and allow God's, this mystery, this love story, to continue. He already knows how it's going to end. He knows how many kids are coming. He knows what you're going to be dealing with. He's your partner. Let the mystery, let the story unfold. It's got a happy ending to it. It was God that brought you both into this world by your beautiful parents. It was God who guided you to each other. And it will be God now who will bring you together as one flesh and make you one in the sacrament of marriage. It will be God who wants to be your partner, both of you, for the rest of your lives. And only God can take two people with joys they're dreaming of and make them one in marriage through the miracle of love.
I, Seth, take you, Tara, to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you.
I promise to be true to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love you.
I will love you.
And honor you.
And honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
Seth, take this ring
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father,
And of the Son.
and the Son,
And of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
It's an honor for me to introduce to you all for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Seth Takeodge.
Just wanted to wish Tara and Seth the happiest of futures. Beautiful day today, surrounded by family and friends, and just wishing you the best of everything starting today. I love you guys.
In regards to this venue, it's fitting with Seth's architectural background that they would have chosen a place associated with falling water. It's also appropriate that Frank Lloyd Wright once said, "The longer I live, the more beautiful life becomes." And so with that, I'd like to raise a glass to Seth and Tara to a great night and the start of your beautiful life together. Cheers.